Alright guys, in this video I have a 2010 Kia Forte, and the issue with this one is that there is a misfire. Well, I shouldn't say misfire, I should say that there's more like a stumble on the engine, because there is actually no DTCs for this onto this car. So I'm gonna start the car. Oh, we're gonna leave it idle, and as you can tell, there's no check engine. I have not erased the check engine, there just isn't any. And I could feel the misfire. So what we're gonna do is go to VIN, go to auto detect. We are gonna go okay. We're gonna go USA, but it's missing right now. So we're gonna go to diagnose. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna do an auto scan, and it says that there's one fault in the system. ESC has 2 faults, airbag has 1 fault. Well, that's scanning. We'll keep an eye on the RPMs. I don't know if you guys can see it moving around. Every time it moves, that's the misfire happening. Gotta pause you guys while this loads. Alright, so it is now finished, and like I said, it's funny that there's a fault in the engine when if I come over here, I have no check engine on. So we're gonna click on engine, we're gonna go see what it is. SULEV. We're gonna go recodes. And it says a P0301, and it says that it's in history, so I doubt it's that. So we'll go live data. If I'm not mistaken, the history on this one is that they just replaced the short blocks, so might be due to something that happened during that process. Because I'm pretty sure that it did not have a misfire beforehand. And here we go. No, that's not a misfire. There we go. So we have cylinder number 2 that is misfiring. So what I'm going to do is actually pull out the Maxi scope, and we're going to see what we can, if we can see anything with the Maxi scope. So I'm going to pause you guys, hook it all up, and we'll see what we got. Alright, so I have my leads hooked up. So I have it hooked up onto a known good, which is our cylinder number 1, which wasn't misfiring. And then I have it hooked up onto my cylinder number 2, which had a misfire onto it. So now what we're going to do, we're going to come over to the scope. We're going to press start. And we're going to take in some data. And then we're going to press stop. And now we're going to review our data. Alright, so now let's go in and look a little closer at this. That is cylinder number 2, cylinder number 1. Let's see if we can't. There's my... Ooh, that one doesn't look good now, does it? But there's a... I'm guessing that's when there was a misfire, so we're actually able to see it. Which I'm happy that we actually grabbed it. And see... Well, you can see right here that it was being pulled down. Way too far compared to the other... So if we go over, we'll try to go back over to number 1, which it should look like that. I can tell you right now that it's not a primary issue, that we're dealing with a secondary issue. We're either dealing with a secondary side of the coil, or we are dealing with a spark plug. And see, there's another one. That doesn't look like it's supposed to. That's a misfire. There's a good primary. That's your number 1 again. I'm actually happy that I was able to grab it. Been looking for some decent misfire waveforms. I haven't been able to get any yet. And you see, it's better, but you still see all the little dropouts that are right here. So we're going to take him, I'm going to pause you guys, and we're going to remove the number 2 spark plug. We're going to inspect, because it's either going to be a coil issue or a spark plug issue. Alright, so I was going to swap the coils, but I think I'd show you guys this instead. See if we can get close to it. So, as you can see, there's a crack right there. That little black line next to the D goes all the way up. And if we keep turning it, there you go. So you have a cracked porcelain that's causing the misfire. I was going to take and swap the coils like I said, but when I took and I pulled out the spark plug and I seen that, well, it's pretty definitive that it needs plugs, and that's going to end up fixing the issue. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys next time.